It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 15th of April. I'm Michael Groff. Warm weather across the valley today, but the weather is a-changin' as we see a potent weather system moving through the southwest tomorrow and tomorrow night, bringing with it breezy to locally windy conditions, cooler temperatures, and yes, chances of precipitation. How much rain might we get? How long do the cooler temperatures last? And what about that Easter weekend forecast? We'll talk about all of it first. The almanac from yesterday, 86 for the high, 58 the morning low. That's right about where we should be. And those days are getting longer now, over 13 hours of sunshine during the day. Outside right now, here at 9:20 a.m., we've got mostly sunny skies. There are some high clouds out there right now, though, and we'll see those increasing as we go through the day. Currently 73 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 32, humidity 22%, wind from the east-southeast at 10, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across the area right now mostly getting up into the 70s, and we are on our way to the mid and upper 80s. Water vapor satellite view across the country right now, and you can see that ridge is beginning to give way to a trough that right now is centered over the Pacific Northwest. That'll be diving down the west coast through the Great Basin and into the southwest tonight and tomorrow. The watch warning map, we've got wind advisories in the Great Basin, the Sierra, and parts of Southern California, red flag warnings to our east. There are some flood advisories and wind advisories in parts of the mid-Atlantic states and up into the northeastern United States. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather expected anywhere across the contiguous United States. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Now, those folks don't have any rain for us here in the valley, but I think there is at least a legitimate chance that we could see some measurable precip in spots across the valley, and we'll detail that now as we get out to the models and have a look at it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our developing trough over the Pacific Northwest, a southwesterly flow out ahead of it, so down at the surface, we'll see increasing clouds today, call it partly sunny. Highs this afternoon, going to be pretty mild, though. We'll be in the mid and upper 80s. Tonight, skies become mostly cloudy, lows mostly in the 60s. And then tomorrow, a fairly potent weather system by mid-April standards begins to affect the southwestern United States. We'll see partly sunny skies in the morning, becoming cloudy in the afternoon. Breezy to locally windy conditions. It will be cooler, too. Highs only in the mid-70s, so around 7 to 10 degrees below average. And here you see the negative vorticity with this feature, so that's going to prompt the development of scattered showers and maybe some isolated thunderstorms as we get some good forced descent with this system. Then by tomorrow night at 11 p.m., the GFS getting a bit more aggressive with the development of showers and storms in here. The instability profile is still kind of lacking. GFS shows somewhere around 200 joules per kilogram of CAPE in here. The buoyancy of the atmosphere, not overly impressive, but still that's enough for an isolated storm. And if you get parked under one of those, could put down some locally heavy rain and some strong gusty winds, so be aware of that. Otherwise, we'll start to see decreasing clouds and showers as we get into Wednesday morning. Partly sunny skies to start the day. Then we'll turn mostly sunny by Wednesday afternoon. High temperatures, upper 70s to about 80. Thursday, the warming trend continues. Highs mid and upper 80s. It is April, so we recover very quickly. And then Friday, high temperatures should be in the low 90s, mostly sunny skies. The GFS has backed off just a little bit on the warm-up, but I still think temperatures are going to warm pretty substantially. As we go to Saturday, here comes another system approaching us, but out ahead of it, warm air advection will be in play. So high temperatures should be in the low and middle 90s. The GFS, again, showing highs about 91 here in Phoenix. I think that's the low end of the temperature range. I think highs are somewhere between about 91 and 94. And the skies will be mostly sunny in the morning. We'll see more clouds coming in by late in the afternoon and certainly Saturday night. Then Sunday, that system moves through, and it looks like for us, conditions are dry, but widely scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms for northern and eastern Arizona looks to be a possibility. It will be breezy, it will be partly sunny, and it will be cooler for Easter Sunday. High temperatures likely only in the low and middle 80s, so we'll probably knock about 8 to 10 degrees off of those high temperatures from Saturday to Sunday. Then a week from today, this is Monday the 22nd. We've got a ridge off the west coast, a dry northwesterly flow in here. That system departing our area. High temperatures should be pretty close to average, I'd say mid-80s. Now let's go ahead and go out 10 days to the end of the period. This is Wednesday the 24th. 588 ridge off the west coast, a westerly flow around here, maybe a few clouds. Otherwise, skies are generally mostly sunny. Checking out the temperatures through the period coming off of the European Ensemble. It's got us all the way up at 96 on Friday, and then we'll start to cool it off into the weekend. But overall, yes, it does look like a warming trend will take place after our midweek storm system here. And then temperatures look to be pretty close to where you'd expect them here in mid to late April. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic Monday.